Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well during this unprecedented times, working from full-time from home while also helping children with school and cooking at home is certainly a challenge for me. However, I'm grateful that I do have a job and we're healthy. In the last few months, I got quite a few phone calls from people who lost their jobs and were looking to transition into an individual health insurance plan. Among some of the top questions I got during this time were related to Cobra. What is Cobra? How can it benefit my family? How much does it cost? How and when to apply for Cobra? How does it compare to an individual health insurance plan, and so on and so on. I will address all these questions in this video, and I hope it will help you have a better understanding of Cobra rules and regulations. If you are new to my channel, please spare a moment and subscribe to my channel, and if you can like or share my video, I will appreciate this as well. Thank you for that. And what is Cobra? Well, it sounds like some sort of snake. Well, it's not, but it can hurt just as much as a snake bite if you don't play by the rules. Cobra is a federal law that requires certain employers to provide continuous health insurance coverage to the previously covered employees, including spouses and dependents, with the same health insurance coverage that the employee had during his or her employment. The recipients must pay for benefits on their own. In other words, if you lost your job and as a result your health insurance coverage, Cobra will allow you to keep the same health insurance plan for a limited period of time, but you have to pay the big bucks for this coverage yourself. In general, Cobra only applies to employers with 20 or more employees. However, some states require insurers covering employers with fewer than 20 employees to let them keep their coverage for a limited period of time. Employees already insured may continue single or family health, dental, or vision coverage for a maximum of 18 months if coverage is lost due to one of the following reasons. Employment is terminated, either voluntary or involuntary, for any reason other than gross misconduct, or if work hours are reduced below the eligibility criteria, making the employee ineligible for coverage, for example, changing to a part-time position. Dependents already insured may continue coverage under Cobra for 18 months based on the reasons listed that I just mentioned for employees, and dependents may continue coverage for an additional 18 months, maximum of 36 months, if coverage is lost due to one of the following reasons: the employee's death or the employee and spouse divorce. A dependent child is no longer eligible as dependent if over age of 26 unless incapacitated. If the employee becomes entitled to Medicare within 18 months prior to termination of employment, the covered dependents may continue coverage for up to 36 months from the employee's Medicare entitlement. If you are age 65 or older, before you elect Cobra, make sure you talk with your insurance agent or your state and health insurance assistance program about Part B and Medigap. If you don't have to, you don't have to take Cobra if you can find another health insurance plan on the individual market with similar benefits or monthly premiums, or even better. Sometimes you can find even better options on the individual market, but it's not guaranteed. Obviously, before you make any decisions, find a good insurance broker who can find you similar insurance plans and compare it for you side by side. This way, you will be able to see a clear picture and make an educated decision regarding what to do next. Keep in mind that you usually have 60 days to do all this research, comparison, and decision making, whether to stay with Cobra or switch to an individual health insurance plan. So use this time wisely. Otherwise, you will lose the opportunity to get an insurance plan, and you will have to wait until the next open enrollment starts to apply for an individual health plan. Now, if you have questions or would like to see a comparison of options, please feel free to reach out. I am a licensed insurance agent in California, and we'll be glad to help you compare health insurance plans side by side. You can also go on our website and run a quote on your own. I will have the link to my website and other useful resources in the description of this video. And thank you everyone for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video.